Welcome to Tree Developers. In this video, let's see how we can build tree-like structure in Flutter. As you can see, these are docs, and if I will expand this, I can see the topics, and if I will expand this topic 1, I can see some section, and if I will expand section 4, then I can see some subsections, and similarly I can see other topics and section. So if you want to create such type of hierarchical tree like structure in Flutter, so watch this video till end. In this video I will explain how you can create this type of UI in Flutter. This is really simple. Just add the Flutter sample tree view package in your dependency, and if you want the null safety version, then click on this null safety version, and this package is from the Google developers, so you can trust on this package, and just copy this null safety version and add this into your pubspec.yaml file. And as you can see, I have already edited. So now if you want to create the tree view, then first you need to import the package, obvious, and then inside the body, what we can call, we can use the tree view widget that comes from the package, and inside the tree view you have to define a list of tree nodes. So let's add some tree node, and inside tree node we can add the content and children, and if you want more hierarchy, then we can add children, and only we want some content, then we can add content. So in this case, let's add the content and children both, because this will be our root node, means top level node. So inside the content you can add any widget, not only text. You can add any widget, but for now let's add text for simplicity, and let's add docs. Inside the children, again let's give the list of tree nodes. So 3 tree nodes. Let's say this is topic 1, this is topic 2 and 3. And now if I will refresh, you can see we have some beautiful tree view like doc, and if I will expand a doc, then we can see the topic 1, topic 2 and topic 3. If you want more hierarchy, like we want more subtopics, like we want subtopic or sections of a topic, so we can give the children of this tree node again. So inside the children we can give again the list of tree nodes. Now you can see inside the topic 1 we have further more hierarchy like section 1, section 2, section 3, and similarly. Now let's see the structure. Now you can see like we have topic 3, topic 2, topic 1, and now let's add some more subsection. We can write here like subsection. Let's see. So now you can see inside the docs, inside topic 1 we have 3 sections, and inside section 3 we have 3 subsections. You can also create this tree view dynamically, means with JSON data, and in this video I'm not covering that. I can show you the demo, like here they have mentioned the demo link. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video, and if you want more such video, then feel free to like and subscribe.